Good day. The volume of a cube is tripled. The length of each side must have been increased by approximately what percent? Let's draw our cube with side A, and the volume will be A cubed. Then this cube was increased a little bit and the volume became 3 times. Let's say XA, XA, and XA. Because coefficient of A here is 1 and here coefficient changed. Maybe it's 1.5 or 1.7. We will find out. And the volume will be XA cubed. Please don't forget brackets. We have x cubed times A cubed. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2. And they say that it was 3 times bigger. It means 3 we multiply by the smaller one and then we can equalize it. Now let's substitute here x cubed A cubed here and A cubed to be 1. 3A cubed equals to x cubed A cubed. We cancel A cubed. We have 3 equals to x cubed. To get rid of this cube, we will take in root with index 3. Now we need calculator. When we write it in calculator, we will write, actually it is 1 over 3 power. In calculator, we write 3 to the power with brackets 1 over 3. Please don't forget brackets also here because it can take to the power of 1 and then multiply by 3, the calculator. Then it will show answer approximately 1.44. And we can compare. It was coefficient 1, coefficient of A, and then it became 1.44. A little bit bigger, and let's find the percent. The difference is 0.44. This 1.44 minus 1, the initial coefficient, and this is in percent. We multiply it by 100 and it will be 44%. Tom drives 30 miles at an average rate of 50 miles per hour. If Leona drives at an average rate of 40 miles per hour, how many more minutes will it take her to travel the same distance? Notice this is hour, but they are asking in minutes. Let's draw Tom's motion. T. Total 30 miles, the distance. His speed is 50 miles per hour. For Leona, the same distance, L, and her speed is slower. It is 40. That's why her time will be more. We should find his time and her time, and then we should compare, and we will say how many more minutes it takes her to travel this distance. Time is distance over velocity. 30 over 50, it is 3 over 5 hours, because here it is in hours. For Leona, it is 30 over 40, 3 over 4 hours. Let's convert it to minutes. We can write proportion 1 hour is 60 minutes and 3 over 5 hours is how many minutes? We multiply 3 over 5 by 60. 5 and 60 cancel, 12. 12 times 3 is 36 minutes. It is his time. For Leona, 3 over 4, we multiply by 60, we have 15 times 3 is 45 minutes. And we see that the difference between 45 and 36 is 9 minutes. It will take her longer 9 minutes. To prepare for class, Mr. Chu has to print a number of booklets with P pages per booklet. If every 5 pages cost C cents to print and he spent a total of D dollars, how many booklets did Mr. Chu print in terms of P, C, and D? Again, please be careful with dollars, and here it is cents. He needs to print these booklets We don't know how many booklets, but we know that each booklet has P pages. Also, for the second sentence, every 5 pages cost C cents. We can write proportion. We will write pages and cost. 5 pages, it is C cents. And he spent D dollars. And we need to convert it to cents. For example, when you have $3, it is 300 cents. You multiply by 100. That's why we will multiply by 100. It is 100 D cents. How many pages could he print? We will find out. It is X, cross product, 5 times 100 is 500 times D, and divided by C. What we found, it is pages, it is total pages he printed, 500 D over C, but it is divided by booklets. That's why we should divide 500 D over C, we also divide by P. Because in each booklet we have P pages. For example, he needs to print 10,000 pages into booklets, and each booklet, let's say it is 200 pages. How many booklets he will have? We take it and we divide by 200. 50 booklets, for example. When we divide by P, it is multiplied by 1 over P, or we have 500D over CP. It is this option. And the question was not how many pages, but how many booklets.